the maintenance order. I represent the wife, madam. The husband is in Canada. He's a permanent resident in Canada. He owns various types of businesses and all of that. I'm only saying, without prejudice, my lord, if they can just get into some kind of a settlement.
So what is this impugned order? Then the court will understand what is
Impugned
the settlement.
order is, the order reads that, my lord, at page, I get a maintenance of 30,000 rupees a month.
Are you
Page
paying?
75.
Are you paying?
He's not paid. He's not paid. I'm the wife.
You are the wife.
They've not paid.
What is you came here for enhancement?
I've come here for enhancement, my lord.
And I
Two
filed
things.
for the
So no, he says that is there any scope for settlement?
no, my lord. He is almost near to bankrupt, and all his companies have been winded up, and even the returns shows that zero returns in all the companies, whatever they have named in the petition.
Still, no, you are not paid anything.
No, my lord, I have not paid any because, my lord, the fact is that first she files one maintenance application before the family court, my lord. Then what she does is she withdraws that application. Then she herself subjects herself to the Canada court and files for the divorce as well as maintenance. Then my client happened to contest the matter, and almost 38 lakhs expenses he has incurred in contesting that matter, my lord. Once the petition got dismissed, then the wife comes to India again in the divorce petition. She files a fresh maintenance case. And
The courts at Canada have granted.
no, my lord, it was dismissed for the reason the husband happened to file a third party audit report wherein all his companies were running under loss, my lord. And I have filed my financial details affidavit before the lower court.
Why was it dismissed before Canada court?
She didn't participate, even otherwise, my lord. It was on merits.
Who has initiated it? Wife has initiated.
Wife has initiated after withdrawing the maintenance application here. She goes herself subjects to the Canada jurisdiction and files an application, divorce petition along with the maintenance petition. And that got dismissed for the reason she didn't participate. One portion, one answer. The other thing is it was on the merit that the evidence was conducted and also the documents were produced before that court that he is undergoing financial loss. And all the companies, whatever the 4 companies which is mentioned by the petitioner in the petition is all been winded up, and there is a
Have you
zero.
questioned this order?
Pardon, my
Have you
lord.
questioned this order?
Yes, my lord. Even I have questioned that. my
Where is
lord.
that? 13.1.
Yes, my lord. That is one.
What
thing.
is the basis for the trial court to grant this much?
My lord, the lower court comes to the conclusion that since there are so many companies in his name.
Page 73, my lord.
In my petition.
You have
it
not
was-
filed your statement of assets and liabilities before the trial.
I have filed, the wife has not filed, my lord.
So if you have filed,
Yes,
if
my
the companies are closed and all those details would be there.
I have filed my returns, my lord, where it shows zero returns. So, my lord, the
No
lower.
documents
court-
has been filed.
Lower.
He has only filed the.
Yes.
The lower court
No,
on the
if you
assumption.
if you don't have any income or your company is running in losses, that you can place before the court. Why all the documents are not filed?
My lord, it is in the recent times, after this orders was also placed before this court, recently it got winded up, my lord. And that is what I am filing this, my lord, all madam.
Have you given him a copy?
Yes.
No, I've just received it. She has not served it.
With regarding to the,
It is submitted. When were they winded up?
it shows 2019 and 2020 and 23 of Kalim Inc., where it shows zero returns.
You have not filed your bank statements?
Back statement, if it is required, I will file it, the recent
It
one,
is
my lord.
required before the trial court. Did you file it?
No, at that point of time, I couldn't secure the bank statement, but I have submitted my tax returns at the time of argument.
Yeah, have you filed your statement of
What
uh,
assets
should-
and liabilities?
I filed it. I have no assets, my lord. Please have.
Trial court.
I filed the affidavit at page 50.
My lord, sorry to interrupt. It is only in the form of an affidavit, not as per the Rajneesh versus Neha.
Please come.
Uh,
What has happened to this MC?
Lordships, I'll just explain in 5 minutes, my lord. Lordships,
No, what happened to this MC?
this
Still pending and
still
then
pending, my lord.
stays
It's not disposed.
granted.
It's stayed
And
and
in the affidavit,
Stay in this.
yes,
yes,
my
my
lord,
lord.
stays granted. And nowhere in the affidavit, she tells that she is
No.
not gainfully
So
employed.
it's your MC and you sort
Lordship, I
sit for
was-
My
that.
ends,
Because immediately
Your
thought
MC.
my ends.
their divorce petition, I am forced to come to India to service his business interests. Now just look at page for a moment, my lord. Please have page 80, my lord. Please have page 80.
Yes.
Now he's got 4 businesses in Canada, all successful businesses. The IVA submission that they've made is that I just suddenly gone bankrupt just to avoid payment of maintenance or any kind of money to his wife. Now all his assets are there.
What is the wife doing?
She's not doing anything, my lord, because her mother was aged, suffering from dementia. She was taking care of her.
What's her qualification?
Maybe BA, my lord.
BBA, masters,
BBA.
my lord. And she was working abroad also there.
She was not working.
And-
She was working
And she
under
is
him.
also,
She was working under him, my lord. Please have page 80, my lord, just for a moment. my-
Yeah, she's also
please, for a moment, for a moment.
shareholder, my lord, in one of the companies.
Please, for a moment. Page 80, my lord.
Yes.
This is a company where he is the founder and CEO of, and his name,
We'll ask the trial court to consider all this and you let her file the bank statement.
Yes, my
You
lord.
also
Lordship,
file, you
just-
also file your
just-
bank
Yes,
for a
statement.
ma'am.
moment, my lord, for a moment. I'll just say this, my lord, please, my lord, because it has reached here after considerable period of time. Just for a moment, my lord, page 80. And all these 4 companies are successful companies related to medical, advertisement, media rights. He marries her. She goes after 6 months. He pressurizes her for dowry. He sends her back here. All the materials is here. And she's not allowed to go back because he doesn't sponsor to his till she gets the dowry. She's not allowed to come back. 3 years, my lord. He changes his address, takes all her things and dumps it. Now, for a moment, my lord, how is she supposed to get back to Canada without the support of the husband? For 4-5 years, she was here. And there is WhatsApp chats repeatedly asking, please take me back. The husband saying, I have sponsored the flight tickets. I am giving you maintenance. Please come back to me. Please take care of yourself. All,
You know,
Pardon me,
he's in
ma'am?
Canada, my lord.
He's in Canada,
not
but
doing anything.
my lord, now he is almost done and dusted with no income there. And my lord,
File all his bank statements.
Lordship, there's one more
Yes, ma'am.
submission, my lord.
Learn
That-
counsel for the
that-
respondent.
One more submission.
the
Just,
necessary-
please, my lord, just one more submission. Now, I didn't have an alternative to get the maintenance here because he was there. The Canadian Council was engaged on pro bono and the entire engagement got terminated because she was not able to go there. After that, penalty, they imposed a fine on me because I couldn't go there. The Canadian court imposed a penalty on me and terminated.
That's why you couldn't contest the case.
I couldn't contest it. So it's hit under section 13 of the CPC, my lord. Then
It's
what
not
they
like
do?
that.
They
It
come
was
back here.
dismissed
1 minute,
by
madam.
details
Please.
dismissed on cause, and
Please.
that cause to have challenged in original got rejected. That is being challenged here in the writ petition number
No, do you accept this fact that because you have not sponsored her, she couldn't get back to
Yes.
Canada?
No, my lord. She had all the visa and every support. My lord, she has
Ask him
hired
to produce, my lord.
she has hired the topmost advocate there, and she had happened to meet all the topmost advocates there, wherein I could not avail those.
When is the petition filed?
This
Seeking
was filed, my
maintenance.
lord. The divorce petition was filed in 2015. my lord.
IA for maintenance.
IA for maintenance was filed a little later, my lord.
It was filed on 13/3/21, my lord.
21, my lord.
Right from 2020 till now, both the parties shall place before the court their bank statements as per the law laid down by the apex court in,
Lordships, just
and
one,
also the income tax returns.
Yes, my lord.
one
I'll
submission, my
petition.
lord. I'll just make it like this, my lord. I'll just make one humble submission, my lord. In Canada, it's not like your ROC in India. In Canada, only if the petitioner, that's the husband, he gives specific instructions in writing to the Canadian authorities, company authorities there, registrars, only then they will release data with regards to the profit and loss accounts of the company, audited financials, financial statements, all company
Tell the
data.
court how to get it.
My lord.
I'll file the
that is-
necessary application, my lord. I'll file it before the lordships.
I filed
I'll file it
the-
before the lordships. And regarding, my lord, that penalty,
Call for that.
one more submission, my lord. Here, that penalty case was, then they filed an OSCR saying that you give me 9 lakhs because penalty has been imposed. They filed an original suit. That got rejected, my lord. That got rejected on the grounds of 13.
Submitted that the petitioner,
Challenge that
well,
document.
petitioner will come before the court. Petitioner will file necessary document, necessary application with regard to the details of the husband's
I'll file that necessary application asking for discoveries and interrogatories.
poses
I'll
matter.
do that. Grateful, my lord.
On 18th of September. By that time, entire material shall be placed before the court.
Okay. Then number
Any
14.
suppression is there, your client has to. pay
Yes,
it.
yes, my lord. It is a true fact
No,
that
you,
is.
you send her to India, you don't allow her to come
No,
back.
my lord, in fact, I have transferred 1 crore to her
Lordships,
account. My one.
just look at
1
annexure
crore,
G,
1
my lord.
crore.
Look at
One crore.
annexure G, my lord. How they.
She is
what-
also equally participating in the business, and she is asking her own relatives to invest in my business. That they name it as dowry. She herself equally participates, and all the documents, whatever they are producing, shows that he is running out of money.
No, she's not interested to take divorce.
She's not there. She files for divorce. Here she's contesting.
Yes, Mr. Counsel, she's not interested for a divorce.
Lordships, she's making, that is what I said, my lord, without prejudice.
Settlement is asking about.
Yes,
Yes, my lord. But
they are
he
honorable.
needs to
They are saying,
be
no,
there.
I don't have 1 rupee. I won't give you 1 rupee.
In crores.
And he is-
He had so many companies, and all the companies gone to water, my lord.
This is an eyewash argument, my lord.
I'll file
Can't be
tax
accepted.
returns. I'll file my tax returns